Nutri and Ag Solutions, in partnership with Fibre, Primary Industries Education Foundation Australia, has developed a suite of sustainable food and fibre focused educational materials and resources for secondary age students in Australia. These resources aim to enhance students' understanding of sustainable practices in agriculture. To access the complete suite of sustainable food and fibre production learning resources and supplementary materials, select PIFA Programs and Projects on the Prime Zone main menu, and then select Sustainable Food and Fibre Production from the drop-down options. The resource homepage provides users with links to lesson guides and supplementary materials for Years 7 to 12 classrooms. There are 5 lessons for Years 7 to 8, 5 for Year 9 and 10, and 6 for Year 11 and 12. These resources align with the Australian curriculum across the learning areas of design and technologies, science and geography, and the senior secondary state and territory agriculture and geography curricula. The Year 9 to 10 lesson resources can be accessed by clicking on the button below the lesson titles on the homepage, or by using the Prime Zone search function to type the keywords STEM, biome, technology, climate change, food security, case studies, biofuel, carbon, or career, and selecting the Year 9 to 10 Sustainable Food and Fibre Production resource page from the search results. The 5 Year 9 to 10 resources explore topics such as the impact of human alterations on biomes, the connections between food and fibre biomes and people, and the carbon cycle and energy flows in agriculture. Students examine environmental, economic, and technological factors impacting agricultural productivity and explore sustainable food and fibre production strategies. These resources include detailed case studies and practical activities to foster critical thinking and problem-solving skills. Emphasis is placed on the role of STEM and scientific research in advancing sustainable agricultural practices. To access any of the 5 lessons in this sequence, scroll down the resource landing page and click on the applicable links to download a detailed teacher guide and accompanying student worksheets. Clicking on the Student Activities hyperlink beneath the teacher guide provides users with all relevant lesson worksheets without the step-by-step instructions for lesson delivery, allowing for ease of distribution of worksheets and activities digitally or in a printable format. The first lesson, Sustainable Food and Fibre Biomes, aligns with the design and technologies and geography learning areas of the Australian curriculum. Each of the resource teacher guides contain Australian curriculum content alignment, estimated activity timings for ease of classroom implementation, detailed resource and equipment lists to assist in planning and preparation, clear step-by-step instructions for the delivery of lesson activities, and answers sections to aid in the marking and assessment of student work. In this lesson, students will explore human alteration to biomes to increase output through the introduction of high-yielding varieties of crop. They will develop critical thinking skills by using real-world scenarios to research the technological, economic, and environmental factors and account for their impacts on agricultural productivity in Australia. The second lesson, the Connected Food and Fibre Biome, aligns with the design and technologies and geography learning areas of the Australian curriculum. In this lesson, students will learn about biofuels and their increased use as a management strategy to reduce reliance on fossil fuels. They will use their geographical skills to interpret a choropleth map and a compound line graph showing biofuel production for regions within the world. They will also develop their spatial understanding of regions and countries. Students will utilise their numeracy skills by calculating quantities and developing an understanding of Australia's trade in canola. The next lesson in the Year 9 to 10 resource suite explores the carbon cycle and how it relates to food and fibre production. The Sustainable Cycles and Climate Change in Food and Fibre Solutions lesson allows students to examine key processes and management strategies to retain and increase soil organic carbon and carbon stored in biomass, as well as reduce atmospheric carbon dioxide. Students model this in an activity and learn how climate change impacts agriculture and their effects on the carbon and water cycles, as well as agricultural productivity. Students conclude this lesson by examining how the Australian cotton industry is adapting and focusing on sustainability in a changing climate. This lesson aligns with the design and technologies, geography, and science learning areas of the Australian curriculum. Lesson 4, Sustainable and Secure Food and Fibre Production, highlights the considerations of primary producers in sustainably producing food and fibre for global preferred futures. In this lesson, students will explore sustainable food production and food security with a focus on the population projection of 10 billion people by the year 2050. Through the interactive Journey 2050 game, they will develop geographical inquiry skills by acquiring, processing, and communicating geographical information, selecting nutrient plans to understand how sustainability and crop yields can be increased. Students will use management strategies to restore soil health and increase yields through precise nutrient application. They will earn money from their crops to address factors limiting sustainability. Students will complete case studies located in Kenya and India as they progress through the interactive game. Tasks in this lesson cover design and technologies and geography learning areas from the Australian curriculum. The final lesson in this unit, Sustainable Food and Fibre Production and STEM, focuses on design and technologies and science learning areas from the Australian curriculum. In this lesson, students explore the role of STEM, science, technology, engineering and maths, in sustainable food and fibre production in Australia. Returning to the Sustainable Food and Fibre Production resource landing page, users can access a range of engaging supplementary materials designed to enhance differentiation and student engagement, catering to learners of varied needs and abilities. To complement the Sustainable Food and Fibre Production resource suite, the Sustainability Challenge game is designed to engage students in understanding and addressing challenges in sustainable food and fibre production. Through hands-on, card-based games, students will explore sustainability issues, select innovative solutions, and learn about critical careers and technologies in the industry. These activities foster teamwork, critical thinking, and problem-solving skills, while aligning with curriculum content to build knowledge in sustainability, science, and technologies. By participating collaboratively, students will gain an appreciation for the interconnected roles and strategies required to ensure a sustainable future for food and fibre industries. Access the printable game cards and instructions on the Sustainable Food and Fibre Production resource landing page on PrimeZone, or by typing the keywords sustainable, sustainability, challenge, game, career, technology, agri-tech, innovation, or card into the PrimeZone search function. Also accessible on the Sustainable Food and Fibre Production landing page is a series of curriculum-aligned careers videos designed to accompany the resource suite. Featuring interviews with industry professionals in a diversity of careers along the food and fibre supply chain, these videos are designed to showcase the exciting and varied career opportunities and pathways in Australia's agriculture sector and promote them in a way that inspires students to pursue careers in the food and fibre industries. Throughout these videos, interviewees share their responsibilities, contributions to sustainable food and fibre production, collaboration with others, problem solving in agriculture, and insights into future trends and career pathways. Each video provides a concise and engaging look into the vital roles shaping Australia's agricultural future, emphasising the importance of social, economic, and environmental sustainability within this sector. These videos are also accessible by searching the keywords careers, jobs, sustainability, marketing, finance, agronomist, wool, manufacturing, digital, or video into the PrimeZone search function and selecting the Careers Videos landing page. Let's now return to the Sustainable Food and Fibre Production homepage to explore another example of a supplementary material designed to accompany these resources. An interactive online PrimeZone Academy course has also been designed to provide an introductory overview of the key concepts from the Year 9 to 10 lesson guides. This self-paced course includes multimedia resources, quizzes, and digital activities that aim to spark curiosity and prepare students for deeper exploration of content during the Sustainable Food and Fibre Production classroom lessons. Teachers and students can register for this free online course by visiting the PrimeZone Academy website or by clicking the link on the Sustainable Food and Fibre landing page. The Sustainable Food and Fibre Production resource suite and accompanying supplementary materials aim to provide a comprehensive understanding of how innovative practices and scientific advancements contribute to sustainability in Australia's food and fibre industries. To download these free curriculum-aligned learning resources, visit the Sustainable Food and Fibre Production homepage on PrimeZone or type the keywords relevant to your selected year band or resource type into the PrimeZone search function.